everyone, welcome back to the new episode of Set's Diaries, and for today's video we will talk about understanding the different skin types and to determine what products to use according to your skin type. Because using the wrong products for your skin type can have adverse effects at ayaw naman natin mangyari yun, and it can also throw off your skin's pH balance. So if you're curious what skin type you have, let this video help you. Now, understanding the skin type, guys, is the first thing that you have to do towards figuring out how to take care of your skin and what products to use. Kasi remember this, different skin types have different needs and they also react to a certain products differently. What works for me may not work for you, or what works for you may not work for your friend. So hindi pwede yung gaya-gaya lang. Sabi nga, it's not one size fits all when it comes to skincare. And with that being said, let's go ahead and identify ano ba itong mga iba-ibang skin type na tinatawag natin. So let's talk about the four main skin types, and these are oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, and normal skin. And the two subcategories are sensitive skin and acne-prone skin. Now, paano ba natin ma-identify kung anong skin type meron tayo? The first thing that you have to do, guys, is wash your face using a gentle cleanser. Take note, you have to use a gentle cleanser. So you may want to use Cetaphil cleanser, Physio Gel, wala lang akong sample today, or any brand na prefer nyo for as long as it's gentle sa skin. And then, just gently pat it dry. Hayaan nyo lang siya, don't put anything on your face. Just wait and observe how your skin behaves after cleansing. Now, if after 30 minutes, your skin appears shiny or you feel greasy, especially sa T-zone, meaning sa forehead, sa nose, and sa chin, that means you have oily skin. And most of the time, guys, yung oiliness ng skin, na-extend pa yan down to the chest area. Oily skin, guys, is one of the easiest skin type to identify. Kasi kahit di ka maglagay ng moisturizer, may feel mo agad yung skin mo sobrang magiging shiny dahil nagpuproduce agad siya ng oil. Another indicator that you have oily skin is yung makeup mo hindi nagsistay sa face mo. So maya wala kang ginawa kundi mag-retouch. And those with oily skin are more prone to blemishes and acne breakouts. Here are some of the tips for those who have oily skin. Number one, don't overwash your face. Kasi overwashing your face can strip away so much oil. At yun ang magbibigay ng signal sa skin natin to overproduce sebum and oil para makompensate kung ano yung nawawala. For oily skin, you may want to look for watery texture and gel texture products and formulated with salicylic acid, glycolic acid, niacinamide, and benzoyl peroxide. These are the ingredients that keep acne and oil under control. But I think, guys, for benzoyl peroxide, you need to have a doctor's prescription. I tried to buy benzoyl peroxide sa Watson's. Hinanapan ako ng doctor's prescription. Now, moving on to the next skin type, and that is dry skin. Now, to know if your skin type is dry, after washing your face with gentle cleanser, your skin feels tight. Naakala ng madami maganda siya sa skin kasi nababanat siya. But the thing is, it's not good for the skin. That's an indicator, guys, that your skin is very dry. That sometimes it feels like flaky or scaly. And when you feel kang discomfort around your eyes and around your mouth, parang feeling mo, mapupunit yung ditong part mo pag you're trying to open it wide. So pag ganun ang reaction, guys, ng skin mo after washing with a gentle cleanser, it only means that you have dry skin. Take note, guys, that dry skin is not dehydrated skin. So they are completely different things. Dry skin lacks the oil production and dehydrated skin lacks of water. So you may have dry flaky patches with dehydrated skin, but you still get that excess sebum production. And the products that you should look for if you have dry skin is a moisturizer that's creamy and thick in texture and with ceramide, as this locks moisture into the skin and helps prevent dryness and irritation. Avoid harsh soap or products containing lots of fragrance. And of course, use a gentle cleanser. Hyaluronic acid, guys, is the best ingredient for dry skin. Kasi the main function of this is to keep the skin well hydrated without adding oil. The third skin type is combination. This one is a bit complicated, guys, kasi you have to deal with both skin type. Unlike dealing with just oily skin or with just dry skin, here, you have to deal with both. So for this skin type guys, medyo magastos kasi you might have to use a variety of products na kakailanganin mo based sa needs ng skin mo. You would know if you have combination skin. If your skin is oily in some parts, especially sa T-zone, etong part na to, ma-observe mo, yan lang yung oily. And then the other parts of your skin are dry. So for your T-zone, the best product to use are those formulated with salicylic acid, lactic acid, and glycolic acid. Kasi nga like I said earlier sa oily skin, these ingredients can keep oil and acne under control. And then sa other parts ng skin na dry, same thing, hyaluronic is the best ingredient for that. I have combination skin type. If you notice guys, doon sa vlog ko about mesotherapy, since wala akong makeup doon, mananotice nyo doon na sobrang shiny ng T-zone ko. And sa T-zone din ako madalas nagkaka-pimples. So I use a spot treatment for my pimples, and then I use a gentle cleanser to wash my face. Kasi take note guys, kung hindi ka naman nagkaka-pimples all over your face, you don't necessarily need to use acne facial wash. Kasi guys, yung mga acne facial wash, may mga drying ingredients din kasi yan. So kung gagamitin mo siya all over your face na hindi naman nagkaka-pimples yung ibang part, madadamay sila sa dryness. Diba? So might as well use a gentle cleanser kasi hindi naman pwedeng gagamit ka ng acne facial wash sa T-zone mo lang and then gagamit ka ng ibang cleanser sa other parts ng skin mo na hindi oily. So paano mo naman gagawin yun, diba? So the best thing to do if you have combination skin is just focus on a gentle cleanser. I will show you guys kung anong cleanser ang ginagamit ko sa ngayon. I use this cleanser guys from Quick FX. It's a pimple eraser facial gel cleanser. Sobrang gentle ng cleanser na to guys. It only comes with 1% salicylic acid and 1% niacinamide. It's fragrance free at hindi rin siya bumubula. So ganun siya ka-gentle sa skin. At wala kang mag-feel na kahit anong dryness after washing. And eto naman guys yung ginagamit kong spot treatment. Good thing about this guys, aside from salicylic acid, niacinamide, and glycolic acid, meron din siyang zinc oxide. Siya yung nagpo-protect sa skin against the harmful rays of the sun. And then we have normal skin. Normal skin tends to be well-balanced. They have smooth surface and good elasticity. But take note guys, based on research, normal skin doesn't mean that they have perfect skin. Because normal skin tends to get drier as we age. So they can still be acne-prone, sensitive, and they can even be affected by the climate or products. So let's move on to the subcategories. Number 1 is sensitive skin. For me, ito na yata yung pinakamahirap na i-handle. Kasi my daughter has a very sensitive skin. Scratching and flare-ups are just, a regular part of her life. She suffers from dermatitis or eczema whenever she dares to try products with harsh ingredients. Sensitive skin daw guys might be caused by genetics, allergies, or environmental factors. With my daughter's case, allergies talaga ang pinaka-main reason ng pagiging sensitive ng skin niya. So, 4 na products lang guys ang recommended sa kanya ng mga doctors. So, ito yung mga sobrang gentle talaga sa skin. So, nandyan yung Cetaphil, Physiogel, Aveeno, and Oilato. So, since ng baby siya, ito lang talaga yung mga products na recommended sa kanya. If you have sensitive skin guys, you need to be very careful in choosing the products as you are more prone to irritations, redness, stinging, burning, or acne breakouts. Or you might need your dermatologist's guidance when it comes to choosing a products. You should avoid fragrances and irritants like alcohol and antibacterial ingredients. The next subcategory is acne-prone skin. Ang paniniwala ng karamihan guys is that acne is largely a teen issue. Pero that's not true. Kasi ako, sa age ko na ito hanggang ngayon nagkaka-pimples pa rin ako madalas. So it can affect people of all ages. So acne-prone skin is usually marked by regular breakouts, and so if you have acne-prone skin, you should look for a product with salicylic acid as this ingredient has pore penetrating abilities. Now guys, if you don't experience any of these issues at normal lang yung skin type mo, you are so blessed. Ikaw na. So sobrang blessed talaga na may mga ganong skin type. Magpapasa na oil ka na lang talaga. Now the question is, nababago ba ang skin type? And the answer to that is yes, nababago siya guys. Your skin can transform from dry to oily, sensitive, or combination. Pero hindi siya nangyayari on its own. Ako guys, na-experience ko yung dry skin that was during pregnancy. At hindi lang basta dry yung skin ko, sinabayan pa ng acne breakouts. And that's because of hormones. And then, few months after I gave birth, bumalik yung skin type ko sa pagiging oily. Matagal nag-stay yung skin ko talaga sa pagiging oily bago siya naging combination. I had my first skin analysis, siguro that was 4 years ago, sa isang derm clinic. So they have this machine, parang i-scan nila yung face mo to analyze what skin type you have. So doon ko nalaman na I have oily skin. At doon ko nakita kung gaano ka-clog yung pores ko, kung gaano kadaming dumi or bacteria yung na-stuck sa loob. Kaya grabe yung sebum production ko that time. I stopped using moisturizer. So I focus on a gentle cleanser and I use products with ingredients that's best for oily skin. And then I discovered this bentonite clay. So ginagawa ko siya 3 times a week as facial mask. Ang maganda sa bentonite clay, it works by absorbing oils and bacteria from the skin. So sobrang nagpe-penetrate siya sa pores. So may feel mo talaga guys na parang bina-vacuum na, sinasak na talaga yung mga oils and dirt sa skin mo. So yun yung nakatulong sa akin guys to prevent oily skin. Skin type can change over time due to environmental factors, age, hormones, and other related health issues. Kaya magtataka kayo guys, you've been using the same products for like months or years with good results, and then all of a sudden, na-observe mo na wala na siyang improvement sa skin mo. Kasi yun pala, iba na naman yung needs ng skin mo. So, kailangan mo na namang i-reevaluate yung skincare mo and make some necessary adjustments. Katulad nga guys ng sinabi ko sa isang vlog ko that our skin tells us a lot. So, make sure we listen and invest in the right products to support whatever your skin needs. I hope you learned something from this video guys. And if you think this is informative, please give this video a thumbs up. And to keep our conversations going, you can leave your comments. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the button down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.